Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I am confident a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time seeing my pretty face, you are highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my returning subscribers, may God bless each and every one of you wherever you're watching me from. Thank you so much. So today I'm actually going to be telling you the secret of Psalm 16. Psalm 16, the powerful secret of Psalm 16. I don't know if you guys can see me very well. Psalm 16, 1 and 16. Have things not been moving fine in your business area? Have things not been working the way you want it to work in your business area? If it is so, this video is for you. Have you been trying all your best to meet up in life, and after doing so, it will be as if you are pouring water on a dry land? Then this video is for you. Yes. What you are going to do for me is go and get your Bible. This is me, Confidence, telling you to get your Bible. You are going to read Psalm 16 out for me. Then you get 3 coconuts. 1, 2, 3. 3 different local coconuts. You know we have 2 types of coconut. We have local one. We have agric coconuts. So the one you are going to get for me is that those coconut that is in your village, those coconut that you used to see in your village. Those ones, all of us have village. So those ones are the one I'm talking about. They are the local coconuts. Those ones that they don't use fertilizer to wrap on the edge of the tree of the coconut. So those ones are what we are going to be needing. So when you get three pieces of coconuts, then you open it by the eyes, one of the eyes of those coconuts. When you open it, you get a bowl. Then you pour those water inside that bowl. You pour it, is it bowl or bowl? You pour it inside that, is it bucket or any bowl that is in your house? Then you open the Psalm 16. When you open the Psalm 16, you are going to use your middle finger, your right middle finger. Do not use your left middle finger. Use your right middle finger. Then you dip inside that coconut. You read that Psalm 16 3 times. As those coconut is 3, so shall you read this Psalm 16 3 times. After reading this Psalm 16 with your middle finger, your right middle finger inside the coconut water, then you dip it and read the Psalms. You can sit down so that, because if you bend, your neck might be paining you. You can sit down, bring the bowl, keep on your laps. You keep the bowl on your laps. You dip your hand inside, your middle finger like this. You dip it inside that water. Then you use your left hand. You read your Bible. This Bible is Psalm 16 that we are talking about. Then you will see the magic of what I am talking about. Now, when you do all these things, then that coconut, please do not eat those 3 coconuts. What you needed inside is the coconut, right? What you needed is the coconut water. Then after that, when you remove the coconut water, then go and throw away the main coconut. Do not eat it. Do not give it to anybody to eat. Just, you can tie it in the leather, throw it inside dustbin, throw it far away from your house. Okay? Then when you pray the Psalm 16, when you are done with the Psalm 16, you take it outside your compound. I know when I just said outside your compound, I will get a comment like, Confidence, can I do it inside my room? There is no compound. Please, you can go outside, not your room. If you have something like is it veranda they used to call it, go there and do this. Do not do it inside your room. If you have backyard, go to your backyard and do it. If you have frontage, like this type of place that I normally use and make my prayers, please, you can stay there, but not in your room. Okay, what you are going to do with those coconut water is, with that coconut water is, you are going to use that coconut water to wash your hand like this, then wash your leg only. Do not pour it on your head, do not wash your face. Wash your hand, like wash your hand with those coconuts, and wash your leg. Then when you are washing your hand and your leg, what you are going to say inside that coconut water is, as many doesn't know how water enter inside this coconut, nobody knows how water enter inside this coconut, so shall your enemies, as your enemies, as your enemies don't know how water enter inside the coconut, so shall your progress, your blessing, your testimony shall be unknown to them. Let me repeat. As your enemies don't know how water enter inside coconut, so shall your blessing, your progress will be unknown to each and every one of them. Your blessing, your progress, whatsoever that has been bothering you, you say it out, it shall be unknown to them. We are going to do this prayer for 3 good days. When you do this thing for 3 good days, then you will see a change in your working place. That business that you are trying to give up, that nothing is moving fine, you want to change another business, try this remedy. Try this remedy, and remember, it's not something that because I said you are going to do it, you are going to carry this thing on 3 days. Then after that, you just go and relax. You have done what confidence asks you to do. Now it's now left for the business to boom. No, things don't work like that. I have instructed you to do this thing for 3 good days. In those 3 days, you will see a change. Money will not run dry in that business. If you are making up to 50,000 a day, you will see a change. You will make up to 70, 80, 100 and above. So when things like this happen in 3 days, are you going to sit down and wait till when it go back to the way it was before? No, you are going to continue. You are going to continue. You continue doing this as long as it is paying off. As long as you are not stopping another person's progress. You are making this prayer just for your own goodness, for your own good, and for the goodness of your family. Continue. Do not stop. If you don't have coconut is not costly here. You can get coconut 200. You can get the one 150. If you are lucky, Aboki will even dash you for free. You get it. In a week, you can do it like 2 times. In a week, you do it like 2 times. In a week, you can do it like if you are the busy type. But if you are the busy type, that means you won't be complaining that there is no sale. So in a week, you can do it like 3 times. You can do it 2 times. You can do it like once, depending how busy you are. And you will find that a lot of change will be in your business. And I sit here and wait for your DM to tell me confidence things has really changed. Try this and come back and give me your testimony, and I'll be glad to welcome you all. Okay, thank you. If you have watched me up to this point, please remain blessed and stay safe. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, it is free. Consider subscribing. Please give this video a thumbs up if it is helpful and interesting for you. Please give it a thumbs up. Let's join the family. Let's grow together, and I will see you in my next video. But for now, stay safe, remain blessed. Bye.